Hello once more everyone, welcome back to the channel back here today on YouTube, doing another candy bar review video today of something new. I've never tried it. I don't know if it's been out for a while. I don't know if it's been out a long time though, but it's the Reese's Crispy Country, no, let me start over. It's the Reese's Crispy Crunchy King Size Candy Bar today. That's what I'm trying. I've never had it before. If it's been out a while, I have no idea, but I'm here to give you my review of it. So I'll open it up, show you what it looks like inside, tell you my thoughts. It's crispy and crunchy, so who knows? I'll tell you what I think. And it looks like it's already broken in half. Okay. I guess broken half. That sucks. Oh, I almost dropped the half. So there's what it looks like on the inside. All chocolate. Whatever it's. Oh, there it is. See that? I don't know if you can see that. A lot of crunchiness. Might be like a crunch bar. So I can tell you this is crispy here on the outside. That looks like the peanuts right there. Sorry about the blurriness. Yeah, that's crispy. I think it's good so far. It is delicious. So there's the rest of it. Overall, guys. Hope you can see it better. That's centered. Looks much better. Overall, hold on, that phone going off. Okay, it's nothing. So that's nothing. But overall, the Reese's Crispy Crunchy Candy Bar, pretty darn good. Much better than the Nutrageous one I tried last time around, but pretty darn good overall. I'd have to say it's an 8.5 out of 10 for this one. I like it. What the way it is, pretty good, and it's pretty darn good. So 8.5 out of 10 once again for the Reese's Crispy Crunchy Candy Bar review. Hope you guys liked. If you did, please remember to watch, like, subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends to do the same if they've not done so already. And please also hit the notification button below so you know when I upload a new video. That being said, have a nice day, stay safe. I'll see you next time in the next candy bar review video.